Hello everyone, I have come with the sample question paper 5, and before this sample paper we have completed four sample question paper, and those all sample papers are really very important for your examination. Which you should must command on these topics, and its latest question paper being made by the expert. And I have already told you that I have completed a series where I have commanded on those all chapters from social science. All the social science chapters are covered from all sections: geography, history, political science, and economics. And I have added these all video in playlist, so you can keep revision from there. And after that, I have also covered those all previous year question paper which is being asked in board examination, and it's from 2015 to 2023. So we have covered those all topics. We have discussed on those all important questions, that how many times that board is repeating questions and which questions weightage is high there. So you can also understood from there. So let's start now with question sample paper 5. Time is given allowed for 3 hours, and maximum marks is 80 here. And I will again suggest you to understand and to understand this general instruction, because these general instructions are being made on the current based of board examination. So you should must be aware with these all general instructions. So it's given one question paper comprises six sections: A, B, C, D, E, and F. There are 37 questions in the question paper. All questions are compulsory. Now, second, section A. From question number A to 20, from question number 1 to 20 are MCQs of 1 mark. Now, third, section B. Question number 21 to 24 are very short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. Answer to each question should not exceed 40 words. Now, fourth, question number C, section C, question number 25 to 29 are short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each. Answer to each question should not exceed 60 words. Now it's fifth, section D. Question number 30 to 33 are long answer type question carrying 5 marks each. Answer to each question should not exceed 120 words. Now, section E, question number 34 to 36 are case-based questions with 3 sub-questions and are 4 marks each. Now, we have completed till here. Now you can complete these all things also. We have done 3 marks till here. We have done. Now it's question number 8. That there is no overall choice in the question paper. However, an internal choice has been provided in the few questions. Only one of the choice in such questions is to be attempted. Now, ninth, in addition to this, separate instructions are given with the each section and question wherever necessary. So now let's start with section A. So I have come with now section A. Here you are finding that it's given multiple choice questions. It's total 1 multiplied by 20 means 20. It means that there is total 20 marks questions, and each questions there you will get there 20 questions, and each questions contain 1 marks. So it will be total 20 marks. So let's start from here. The inhabitants of the Balkan regions, which had great geographical and ethnic variations, were broadly called. So you have these 4 options here, and question number 2 is given that name the caption of the picture. So you have these 4 options. That I have told you that image-based questions are really very important. So you can find the exact answer from here and exact thing, and you can fulfill your answer properly. Now question number 3, which war is known as the modern industrial war? So you have these 4 options, and you can find the exact answer from here. After completing these questions, I am coming with more important questions in next page. It's given here, so we can fulfill these all questions properly, and you need to be more aware and confident for your examination. Let's start with question number 4. There are 2 statements marked as ascertain A and reason R. Mark your answer as per codes provided below. To ascertain A, in 1517, the religious reformer Martin Luther wrote 95 theses criticizing many of the practices and rituals of the Roman Catholic Church. Reason are, this led to the division within the church and the beginning of the Protestant Reformation. So you have these 4 options, and you can easily fulfill your answer properly. Now let's start with question number 5. Complete the following tables with the correct information with regard to the cultivation of cotton. So you have this table, you can see here, it's given that name of crop cotton, annual rainfall required 55 to 100 centimeter, and crop season and temperature you have to find. You are getting here 4 options. You can easily find the exact answer from here. Now let's start with question number 6. It's being given here that in which part of India rooftop rainwater harvesting structure has been made compulsory. So you have these 4 options here and you can find the exact answer from here. Question number 7, name the finest quality of iron ore. So you have these 4 options and you can easily find these all answers properly from here. Now come with question number 8. Which of the following challenges to democracy is depreciated in the cartoon? See, again it's image based question is given here. In cartoon based image based question you will see here, and you'll have to answer your you'll have to answer these questions properly, and you can get good marks from here. You can observe these cartoons and images and you can find out exact answer. Now question number 9. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involved. So you have these 4 options. You can find the correct and suitable answer from here. Now question number 10 is given here that a system with one party is known as. So what system is it is being known? It's there is a one party is known as what system? So you have these 4 options and you can easily find the correct answer from here. So I'm coming with question number 11. And after that we will come with next section. So question number 11 is given here that name the form of self-government in India introduced at the level of the villages. So you have these 4 options and you can find the exact answer and proper answer from here. Now question number 12, consider the following statements about ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. So which one is correct? So you have these 4 options here and you can find the exact answer. Question number 13. The Constitution of India prohibits the following. You have these 4 options and you can find the exact answer and suitable answer which is necessary here. And after all, I am coming with question number next question. It's question number 14. Given HDI stands for Human Development Index that focuses on dash. Fill in the blanks with one of the following options. So you have these 4 options and you can find the exact answers from here. Now it's question number 15. Which organization supports liberalizations of the foreign trade and investment? So you have these 4 options and you can easily find the exact answer and correct answers from here. Question number 16. Choose the incorrect options from the following. So you have these 4 options given here and you have to find the exact and suitable answer which is here in this table. So now come with question number 17. In question number 17 being asked that Kerala has low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Find the correct answer from the followings. So you can see these 4 options from here and you can choose the correct option from here. Next question, why is currency accepted as a medium of exchange? So you have these 4 options you can see here and select one suitable answer. Next, rapid integration or interconnections between countries is known as. So what is being known? So you have these 4 options and you can easily find the correct answers from here. Next, what do the banks do with the deposits which they accept from the customers? See, this is very important question. It has come many times and when we were practicing from previous year question paper, then we also find that many types many questions are being repeated, so you need to be aware with these questions and you should must command on these questions. After all, we have completed section A here and in section A you know that these all questions are MCQs based, that there are total 20 questions and each question contains 1 mark, so total 20 marks. So this section contains 20 marks. And you need to be aware some questions are very similar, so you need to be more aware that you have to choose exact answer. And due to that I have made a series where I have covered those all important content which is necessary to understand, and these content will be also very helpful for you to write your answer in very short answer question, and long answer question. Because in SST it's being given here that you should not write more than 40 words in very short answer questions, and not more than 60 words in short types of answer, and not more than 120 words in long types of question answers. So you need to be more aware with these all instructions. These instructions will be really very helpful for you. So I'm coming with now with section B, and we can complete here this section. So it's given section B. It's a very short answer questions. It contains total 8 marks. So there are total 4 questions, and each question contains 2 marks. So you can easily get 8 marks from here. So let's start from here. It's question number 21. What attracted the Europeans to Africa? Give any 3 reasons. And 22, it's given describe any 3 features of unity government. And question number 23, write the distribution of red and yellow soils. Give reasons for their color. Or explain the Bees Bachao Andolan and Navdanya concept. Question number 24 given, explain with examples how people are involved with the banks. So after covering these questions, we have completed these 4 questions from here. So section B is being covered from here. So I'm just turning the page. In next page we will discuss on section C, which it is called the short answer type question, and it contains total 15 marks. So you need to be more aware with this section also. See here, it's section C. It's short answer based question. It's total there are total 5 questions. Each question contains 3 marks. So total 15 marks is given here. Now you can be able to now you can understand from here. It's question number 25. It's given that differentiate between metallic and non-metallic minerals with examples. Now 26, explain any 3 problems faced by the peasants of Awadh. This question is peasants of Awadh is really very important question, and this question is being asked many times in previous year question paper also. So you can understand from there also what is the weightage of this question. Now it's question number or it's means that given here or, and then same you can find that either you can do that question or this question. So how had the female figures become an allergy of the nation during the 19th century in Europe? Analyze. So after that it's question number 27. Describe the 3 components of a political parties. So you have to describe 3 components of political parties and explain properly. Now it's question number 28. How far is it correct to say that it is not the politics that get caste ridden, but it is the caste that gets politicized? Explain. So we can understand the concept of this, what is being asked from this question, and you need to write answer according to that. Question number 29. The basis of which 3 indicators of HDI 2018 Sri Lanka has better rank than India. So you can complete this answer also properly, and you need to keep in your mind your answer should not be more than 60 words from short answer type question from these sections, and you need to be aware with those all very important content which is necessary here. Due to that, I have completed a series where I have completed those all chapters, and we have covered there those all important content. Those content will be really very helpful for your examination, and it may be very beneficial in writing your answer with that point wise answer, because those points are really very important for you, and you can keep revision from there whenever you want to revise. And I have added these all video in playlist, and you can revise from there. So let's start with the section D, and it's long answer based question. It contains total 4 questions here, and its weightage is that means that each question contains 5 marks. So total there is 20 marks. And the good things of this section that you will get options, means that you will get options in these 4 questions. Either you can do that question or these questions. Like that you can complete this answer properly. And now let's start with question number 30. The print revolution had transformed the lives of the people, changing their relationship to information and knowledge. Analyze the statement. Or Why were there frequent clashes between Gomathas and the weavers in the villages? So you can either do that question or this question you can complete. Now question number 31. Write 5 steps taken by the government for the conservation of wildlife. Or why is transportation necessary? Now question number 32. It's given that why has the idea of power sharing emerged? Explain different forms of different forms that have common arrangements of power sharing. Or explain the ways in which democracy has succeeded in maintaining dignity and freedom of citizens. Now, question number 33. Explain any 5 fields other than incomes where development is needed. Or how can we create more employment in secondary and tertiary sector in rural India? So after that, we have completed these sections here. These all questions are very important for you. So I will again suggest you when you are completing this section D. So I will tell you that you should must attempt these both questions when you are practicing. It means that you need to listen carefully. When you are practicing from sample paper or from previous year question paper, then you should must complete these both questions in your notebook as a practice, because this will be really very helpful for you. And after that, when you will give your board examination, that time you need to be aware and confident with that exact answer. Means that 2 out of questions you have to attempt one question, so that time you can write that exact answer and suitable answer to get very good marks. Okay, so now come with section E. So in section E, it's that case-based questions. So see, section E is it's case-based question. It contains total 12 marks. Means that there are total 3 questions, case-based question, and each question contains 4 marks. So total it's 12 marks. So now let's start from here. It's given that read the sources. Question number 34. Read the source given below and answer the questions that follow. In the early 19th century, factories increasingly became an intimate part of the English landscape. So visible were the imposing new mills. So magical seems to be the power of new technology that contemporaries were dazzled. They concentrated their attention on the mills, almost forgetting the violence uh, and the workshops were production and workshops where production still continued. The most dynamic industry in Britain were clearly cotton and metals. Growing at a rapid pace, cotton was the leading sector in the first phase of industrialization up to the 1840s. So there are 4 options given, and you can easily find what is the Porto industrialization, and 34.2 what was the general pattern of this industry. Question 34.3 why was it successful in the countryside in England in the 17th century. So you can find these all answers from this passage. This is really very important and easy, that will be really very helpful for you. And in case based questions, you can get more and more marks. That full marks you can get from here, because you have to find out answers from here only. And these all 3 questions are given so easy and interesting, which you can easily find from this passage. So now come with question number 35. It's given that read the source given below and answer the questions that follow. Ordinary citizens, pressure groups and movements and the media can play an important role in this. If political parties feel that they would lose public support by not taking up reforms, they would become more serious about reforms. 2 political parties can improve if those who want this join political parties. The quality of democracy depends on the degree of public participations. It's given on next page. Now I'm coming with that. So I will again tell you that I'm covering these all things from Shivdas. So it's a really very good sample paper. It's very good, you can say that, guess paper, where those all important contents are being given here, and these all practice sets are really very important. Many questions you can get from here also, because this is being guided by expert and who have been making these sample papers and guessing these kinds of questions from long times. So most of the students are preferring these sample papers, so it is really very important for you. You can keep practice. If you have done, it's okay. If you don't have done, you can fulfill from this video, and you can complete these all things properly. These content are really very important, so it will be really very helpful for you. So you can cover these all things from this from my videos, because I have covered many topics from here. So now I am coming with question number 35 of the okay, I am coming with this left portion which we have not discussed. So it's participation given. It is difficult to reform politics if ordinary citizens do not take part in it and simply criticize it from the outside. The problem of bad politics can be solved by more and better politics. So now it's given 35.1. Its question: state any two ways in which public can reform political parties. 35.2. Write an example of use of money and muscle power. And 35.3, that explain the growing role of money and muscle power in political parties. Now it's 36. Read the source given below and answer the questions that follow. So it's given a passage here like that case-based study, and it's like that depend on a house loan. You can see in picture, and it's given here also. A house loan. Megha has taken a loan of rupees 5 lakhs from the bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate on the loan is 12%, and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years in monthly installments. So Megha had to submit to the bank documents showing her employment records and salary before the bank agreed to give her the loan. The bank retains as collateral the papers of the new house, which will be returned to Megha only when she repays the entire loan with interest. Thus, we have found this passage from here. It's case-based study like that passage, and you can see here there are three questions are given here. What do you understand by the term collateral? See, you have already completed that what is collateral and terms of collateral, so you can easily find these all answers from here. It's 36.2. Why does the bank ask for collaterals while giving home loan to Megha? So you can also find out what is the reason behind this, why bank is demanding for collateral and to security. You can identify these all things from here. Now question number 36, it's given here that what comprises terms of credit. So what is comprising here terms of credit? So you need to find out the answer from here. So thus we have completed these three questions from here, and after completing this section, I am coming with section F. It's map skills, skill based questions. So you can see here clearly that map skill based question, it contains 2 plus 3, means that 2 marks from from history section and 3 marks from geography section. Total 5 marks here given. So it's given 37A. Two places A and B have been marked on the given outline map of India. Identify them and write their correct names on the lines drawn near them. A is given the place where the peasants satyagraha started. So A1, it's given that where peasants satyagraha being started, and B, the place where Gandhiji violated the salt law. B is the place where Gandhiji violated the salt law. So you can identify these both places, and you can write the exact and correct name of the place, and you can get full marks. So it's very easy and interesting map based questions, and you are generally getting here 5 out of 5. So in 37A, see question number that A, on the same outline map of India, locate and label any 4 of the following with suitable symbols. It's given here: Kandla, a major seaport; now Bhilai, iron and steel plant; C. Kaga nuclear power plant, and D. Pune, it's cotton textile industry. So you can easily find these all things from here, and you can use this map to complete your answer properly. And after completing this last question, so we have completed the sample paper 4. Sample paper 5 we have completed here, and before sample question paper 5, I have completed 4 more sample question paper. These question papers sample papers are really very important for you and for your practice. And I have completed those all previous year question paper, which is very necessary for your examination. Thus I will again tell you that keep revision, be confident, and this is the base of your study. And after that you need to keep practice and evaluate yourself and how much preparation is going on. And after that you have those all kinds of sources and facilities which will be really very helpful for your examination. Means that when I have if I am talking about my videos, then I have completed those all videos, necessary videos, which is really very helpful for your examination. And you can observe those all important content, because here content is necessary for you to observe these all answers properly. So keep revision and be confident.